Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Dashlane subscription. Okay, so first of all you need to keep this thing in your mind. You can cancel your subscription where you have originally purchased. Okay, so the first method you can see, you need to log in into your account and you need to visit on, you can top side, left top side, and you need to select the menu and you can select subscription page. Okay, and you can cancel your subscription method, and you can cancel your subscription by visiting on this subscription page. Okay, and if you have taken your subscription by using your Android device, you can visit on the Google Play Store and you need to select your profile, then payments and subscription. Now you need to select subscription. Now you need to select your Dashlane app, and then you can cancel your subscription. If you have taken your subscription on iPhone, you can visit on your iPhone settings and you need to select your Apple ID, then subscription, then you need to select your Dashlane app, and then you can follow the on-screen prompts and you can cancel your subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.